Yo, fools. I'm about to be trying this shit. What am I on? So we got a couple fools here from ShopRite. You feel me? This, I don't know what this zone is, but yeah, we gonna try this. Hell yeah. Yeah. Next, we got some pepper turkey. What? Yo, this shit crazy how they put the pepper in this shit, bro. Not gonna lie, that shit kinda weird. But we better try it. We really good. Tastes different. Yo, we gotta get some cookies. Yo, see? Everything works out. We got some crackers with this bitch too. Chill. Nah, we really about to eat good. Cracker sandwich? Stop it. Bro, what? That shit good. I'm thankful for that. Yo, I think that pepper turkey was the first one they gave me, bro. Oh, what's this? Guys, what do we have here? Look like we have some turkey. Yo, turkey tastes good. Turkey a little salty though. Turkey is a little salty. Nigga, I am living the life, bro. I make $2,000 a day. Now, some niggas will say, yo, you ain't got a bad. But no bad is crazy, though. Let me clean my mouth. I'm so grateful for this right now. Yo, we got hella turkey, though. What? calling this shit a turkey bits. My turkey bits. I'm telling y'all, we got hella turkey. That shit's stacked. Yo, how can I put y'all back? This that shit, my nigga. I don't really like turkey for real. I'm grateful for that though. We're gonna put that to the side. We got some ham right here. Oh my gosh, we can mix it. Fuck putting it to the side, we can mix it. Oh my mother, bro. Oh my mother. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Look at that shit. We got that shit mixed. I'm great. I'm strong. I'm amazing. I'm love. Yeah, that's that ham, nigga. That ham, that shit tastes like hammy. That shit tastes like ham, bro. I'm gonna wrap this shit up, though. Put that shit there. I got like one more. I got like the salamis. Oh my god. I think I got some of this ham in here too. Oh, hell yeah. Oh my fucking God. Thank you, God. Yo, these niggas can't have food in front of me. Oh, I'm working. Alright.